Good afternoon to each and every one of you. By due courtesy to our Deputy Director General for TSD Operation, DDG Vidal Villanueva III, TESDA Region 10 Regional Director, Rafael Y. Abrogar II, Chancellor Attorney Alizini Dito Calan of Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, our City Administrator, Dr. Darwin Manubag, representing the Honorable Mayor, Mayor Frederick Siao, the Provincial Directors, Artemio Del Rosario Jr. of Bukidnon, Maricon Cherry Garrido of Misamis Oriental, Romel Natat of Misamis Occidental, and Acting PD, Carol Ranalan of Camiguin. May due courtesy also to the President of the Tibet Association of Iligan City and Lanao del Norte, President Samuel David Mercado, administrators of the different PTIs and TVIs of Region 10, our guest PD from the MPHTE, the PD of Lanao del Sur, PD Asnawi Bato, sir, competitors, coaches, experts, guests, trainers, and scholars of TESDA. Again, mayong hapon sa tanan. Welcome to the land of beauty and bounty, Lanao del Norte, to the city of majestic waterfalls, Iligan City, and to one of the premier institutions of the country, MSU Iligan Institute of Technology. Today, we are gathered here for the opening program of the World Skills Philippines Northern Mindanao, where 16 trade areas will be the subject of competition on Monday and Tuesday, respectively. We stood proud as we witnessed a while ago the entrance of the various delegations coming from the 5 provinces of Region 10, bringing with them the pride and skills of their institutions. It is worthy to note that in the 2025 World Skills ASEAN, 2 graduates from the MSU IIT represented the country in mechatronics servicing and won bronze. They are Ronel Arisgado and Abraham Padar, together with their coach, Professor Faith Baldonado. They have also competed in World Skills Asia in Taiwan, and they will be competing in September 2026 in the World Skills Shanghai in China. This competition provides an opportunity to showcase talents and skills in the Tibet trade areas, exchange knowledge, and inspire one another to achieve higher standards of excellence worthy of world skills. To all the competitors and the experts, we wish you the very best. Let this event inspire all of us to continue developing our skills and contributing positively to our families, communities, and to our nation. Good luck and God bless. Again, maayong